Now with this concept, when we have the beds closed, it actually doubles up as my office space, because they've kept that table which is strong enough to hold a laptop or even a desktop if required, when it's not being a bed. So that is an availability to multitask and use it as my home office, as well as now we're going to make it either a whiteboard with markers or chalk. That option is also available, so my kid can actually scribble and learn his things. So the bed is also my office space plus a place for learning, and there are so many things that we are able to do with just that one space. And we've also got the other wardrobes done for them from them, so wherein that too is using the same space saving concept. So we are able to make it a dining table, mini dining table when required, and when it's closed it is part of the wardrobe. So I think overall I think the engineering part of it has really worked out well for us, and it's very seamless and nicely done, so we're happy with that.